Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to get started with ChatGPT on Windows. So let's have a look now. To get started with ChatGPT on Windows, go to your browser and search for ChatGPT. Now click here and click on Try ChatGPT. So here you will find some options to get started. If you already have an account, then you can log into it. If you don't have an account, then sign up for an OpenAI account. You can also click on Try it fast to try it. Choose the option you prepare. Once you sign up for an account, you will see the ChatGPT interface. Click here and start writing a prompt or a text to get started. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.